I am sitting down right now. I was standing all morning. Hold on, let's refresh this. Sitting down at my new stand-up desk setup. There we go. That's just a little bit better, isn't it? All right. So let's get ready to rumble. No, just kidding. It's more like let's get ready to tumble, right? The markets. Wowzers! Who's ready for a crazy week ahead, right? Just was talking over in the training pit all about credit default swaps, what is a stock, all those good things. All right, here we go. We've got the watch list set up for today. We've got the halt level set up. I am live every morning at 8:15 Eastern building this list. We talk about the market, we talk about current events, we talk about what's going on, and let me share this. Let me share this on Twitter, because usually more people join in. And there we go. All right. And let's come back to it over here so I can see everyone. Hello, Johnny. How are you? All right. So today, I want to remind you this Friday in the morning, free Friday, first Friday of the month. Come on over. We will build the watch list out. It's probably going to be a wild and crazy week ahead. We have the credit default swaps that have been going on that everyone's talking about for Credit Suisse. Yes, that's kind of scary. And when the book value is lower than the... Nice job, Johnny. You capitalized on that. That is good. You know what? In my opinion, I don't think that we are done yet. Look at this too. Wells Fargo, short volume. Let's go. Wells Fargo short. Did you know you can look up short volume? Look at that. It's just like it's rising, huh? That was Wells Fargo PQ that was in short volume. That is the preferred Q series. I just learned about it today. We have our fear and greed indicator is hanging out at 21. We've got Kim Kardashian due to pay more. That doesn't even look like her, does it? I don't know. Maybe she's had some plastic work done. So today for announcements for USD, manufacturing numbers lower than expected. Eurogroup meetings all day. Big thing, we also have Fed talking at the Sunshine meeting and XRP. So we might have some more interesting news this afternoon. If you do subscribe to my watch list, I now have the halt levels for the day added on in case we have a dramatic drop. Today we are moving to the upside. However, I feel like it's a short squeeze today. I feel like we're going to be going back down a bit. All right, so let me move this. Oopsies. That's not what I meant to open. I meant to move this down like this. And we'll go here. So the SPY had a nice level mapped out today on the SPY over here. Yep, we came up, we hit, bounced. Let's just see for fun. I have something called the volume profile right here. Did it move up? No? Okay. So maybe we're going to rebound a little bit up here and maybe not. Maybe it's going to come on back down. But I would watch 367.50 now as that area to watch. Otherwise, if we drop below 357, bye-bye. Bottom's probably going to fall out. The Qs, we were looking to refill that gap on the daily. We definitely did. We gapped down. I got a notification we were down below 266 this morning. Hi, Troy. And we had a refill up to the 4 of that gap space. Now we're ready to head back down. IWM as well. Let's check the volume profile over here on all these. Where are we? Above or below it? Okay, below it. Came down here as of this Friday afternoon. Look at that crazy high volume, right? And Dow Jones. So we had a nice move up on all of these today. Nice little mini short squeeze, which is reminiscent of silver. Oh my goodness. Just had somebody message me on, I don't know, Twitter somewhere, and they were like, you know what? Thank you so much. I saw your stock charts video all about ready to ride the silver stallion. That's right. This one is leading the race, right? Talk about almost 8% today alone. 8%. There's a good guy on Twitter. Let's see. He posts every day. It's this guy right here. Michael's Silver Squeeze. I just type in Silver Squeeze and up it comes. Okay, so Fed, UN calls on Fed, other central banks to halt interest rate increases. Okay, interesting, not too worried. But looking at silver and gold inventory at APMEX or APMEX, I don't know how to say it. It's currently in stock, not back ordered, but in stock. Here's your silver and here's your gold. It's dropping quickly, right? He posts a lot about metals. If you want to learn all about, oh, thanks, Troy. You should come join us on the in the morning. So we also have this, the board meeting, closed board meeting, Sunshine Act, 11:30 today. Emergency. Yeah, that's not a normal thing. So here we have, this is from the 30th. Open interest for the futures contracts is 207% of the vaulted silver and 1,500% of registered silver. Does that click yet? There's not enough silver to complete all of these contracts. What has to happen to the price, right? What has to happen? We're starting to see what has to happen. Do you think it's going to go higher? So this is the point of control, right? Here, let's go back from here. Are we above the point of control? Yep, it flipped 3 days ago. The former resistance that I would have watched is 2180. Are we still above it? All this volume, you bet. Look at how far back I'm going here. November 2021. Okay, that's where we start to find a resistance. Ooh, look at that. Back at December. Nope, it switches December 6th. So beginning of December 6th, and we're looking at roughly 2230. Looks like we've got another 10% at least to see on the futures before we see the flip of the volume, right? Of that point of control. It is just sort of stagnating up here. At one point I thought actually it had gone limit halt up, but no. All right, let's look at these stocks on the list today. PBR, Troy wants to talk about that. Let's look at it on a 5-minute chart and 24-hour over here. We'll eliminate this, we don't really need that. So boom, up above 1360. Yep, hit 1394. Nice 40-cent move off of PBR today. AMD, whew, look at that squeeze. $2.40 right there. Apple, today to me feels like a pop for bigger drops in my opinion. You can see we have Apple still looking to potentially retrace back up here to the moving average and then roll over. I would look at it, in my opinion, end of the day for potential short entries. That's my opinion. Let the charts tell you. I'm not saying definitely, but let the charts tell you. It's still in an upward trend right now. This is my favorite new one, the 33 EMA. Look at how it bounced. Bounce, 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 bounce. 33 EMA. Try it on your chart. Doesn't cost a thing, right? Except for maybe some knowledge and some time. Amazon as well. Let's check out our volume profile right here. We have the height up here at 122.26 and support, that would be resistance, 113.90. So if I were to go into this to the long side, I would use 113.50 as my stop, right? That's what I would look at. If it were to go down $1.30 from here, $1.30 with potential to make $8, not so bad, maybe $7.50. $1.30, $7.50, what is that? 5 times? Not a bad risk reward, except for most of the market is moving down. And there was a lot of news today about Goldman Sachs. We are bullish on oil. What are you not getting? We are bullish on oil. When they start to scream messages like that, I don't know, makes me think they're going to drop back down. Remember, if you are joining us today and you like the live stream, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and come and join us. We will talk about the stocks that are moving today. What I put on my list, let's check out Tesla as well. All right, so Tesla today continuing the downward motion. Not a surprise to me when we had the triple top up here. watching the levels down to 240 and then down to 237.50, 235, and so on. $250 increments over here. All right, if we hit 240, 250, look for that 240, and then so on the way down. Let's check out Nike. Nike had a rebound, third day after earnings. Today, if we can overtake this wick, watch out. Oh, excuse me, today's the second day after earnings. This could be a test of the gap, trying to suck buyers in and then roll it back down. So cautious. Wait, in my opinion, for confirmed volume above this high. This high right here is 86.20. We did not reach that today. That would be my entry once that resistance is broken. All right. Roblox, let's check it out. Roblox had some downward price action today and then back up, retraced back to yesterday's close. That blue dashed line is yesterday's close right over there. So we come back, we dropped, filled the gap, ready to roll over again potentially. Baba was also on the move today. We look like we have a bit of a diamond bottom down here. However, we're hitting up against that moving average. Let's check out our volume. Let's go from here on over. So the point of control is down here. It's 78.93, 79 we'll call it, just below 79. So what happened? They brought it back down over here and boom, took it back up, right? They bought back into it. So as long as it stays above 79, in my opinion, this might have further to move to the upside. If it goes below, I would not hang around because that means that all of this was selling. But I would look more for an indication for it to close above $81, in my opinion, right? I'm not a registered financial advisor. This is all my opinion. So SRE had big volume today, had a nice move. Look at that, up above, had big volume down at 148.66, but we bounced right above that later today. Look at that nice move. We opened up here, came down, and continued to move up to the upside. Do you guys have anything that you would like to see today to check out? Let's check out some of the majors. We saw Apple, Amazon, Tesla. Let's check out Google today. What's Google doing? In retracement mode, how about Microsoft? Top 5 majors, retracement mode. Retracement day to me means hold off, wait, positioning, wait for that confirmation. Look at all the selling wicks. Sell, 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 sell. Okay, a bit of a selling wick somewhat forming right now. All right, let's go right here. There is the no trade box. Wait until we go outside of the box. This is the no, hold on. You are in the penalty box unless it makes a move one way or the other. Do not go anywhere, in my opinion, right? It just looks like it wants to have a position. Is it going to be up? Is it going to be down? Big guys know. We will find out soon. All right. Remember, this Friday, 8:15, come here to my channel. We will be live building a watch list for us all. Samuel Adams, you got it. It looks like the bubbles. It looks like maybe it's going flat. Retracement, but still in that downward motion. I would look for if we can have a close above 328. Yes, if it goes below, watch out, right? Where's the big volume? Really big volume this day. How about this? Let's put this on from earnings. Where's your point of control? We're just above it. So yeah, look to see if you can close above 327.50. Awesome try. Yeah. And if you all like the live stream, you'd like to contribute, there's a buy me a coffee link down below so I can have some energy as a mom of 2. Always love my coffee. All right. I'm going to wrap it up for today. Have an amazing rest of your day. Carpe profit. Let's put this down here. Hold on. There we go. Carpe profit, seize those profits one trade at a time. And I'm gonna try to be here tomorrow, but my daughter has an eye doctor's appointment, so it might not happen. All right. And Thursday, she's got another dentist appointment. She's got cavities. Shh. So the other one was a very good brusher. She's not quite as good. So some doctor's appointments today, kid life. But other than that, I'll try to be here Wednesday and Friday as well. See you soon. Have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.